What's shaking, cyber firms? I'm super excited to be here again. I hope you are too. Today, we'll be diving into the not so glamorous but super important part of the internet, digital hygiene. Nobody wants their browsing history following them around like a digital shadow. Leaving cookies and browsing histories lying around is like leaving your dirty laundries on display. Not cool. Learn how to keep your online life fresh and secure. Ever wondered why websites remember you? Those are cookies. They are handy for remembering logins and preferences, but too many cookies can track your every move online. Not exactly a recipe for privacy. Your browsing history is like a digital journey of everywhere you've been online. While it can be helpful for revisiting cool sites, it might not be something you want everyone to see, especially on a shared computer. But don't worry, cyber firms, keeping your online life tidy is easier than you think. Here is how to become a digital hygiene hero. Number 1, clear your cookies. Most browsers have a clear browsing data option. Find it and say goodbye to those tracking cookies. 2, delete your browsing history. Give your online journey a fresh start and keep your visits privacy. 3, log out account. Especially on public Wi-Fi, log out, keep your information safe from prying eyes. See, just a few steps and you're digital hygiene master. Now you can explore the web with confidence, knowing your privacy is protected. Want to level up your online security? Here are some bonus tips. Length is your friend. The longer, the stronger. Think of it like a high security fence. The taller it is, the harder to climb. Mix up. Don't be predictable. Use a combo of uppercase and lowercase, numbers and symbols. Think alphabet soup with a sprinkle of special character. Unique for every account. Don't reuse the same password everywhere. Imagine using the same key for your house, your car, and bank vault. Not a good idea, right? Now, your passwords are like uncrackable codes. Keep your data safe and sound. Thanks for joining us on this digital hygiene adventure. Like, comment, and subscribe for more ways to be safe and secure cyber citizens. Until next time, cyber visionaires, stay cyber savvy.